I'm just an average homeowner, you know? My prized possessions were being destroyed by the elements. My car, once gleaming, now bore the scars of endless sun exposure and relentless rain. I felt like I was fighting a losing battle against nature itself. Then, like a beacon in the storm, I discovered M&D Steel Structures. Their website was a treasure trove of options: carports, sheds, garages, even massive agricultural structures. What really caught my eye was how customizable everything was. They walked me through every option, from size to color to additional features. The best part? The price quote included delivery and installation. Installation day was like a choreographed dance. The team moved with precision. In just hours, my chaotic yard transformed into an organized oasis. The structure stood there, gleaming in the sunlight. Now my vehicles are protected. My equipment is safe. And the kids' bikes? They're neatly stored. It's about reclaiming our space. M&D gave me back control over my environment. Transform your space with M&D Steel Structures.